Welcome to our channel where we support women willing to have financial independence. It means freedom. It's the power to choose your life without relying on anyone else. For women, it's not just money. It's safety, dignity, and possibility. You're financially independent when your income covers your lifestyle without needing a job or partner. It's about assets working for you, not you working for survival. Why does this matter for women? Because we live longer, earn less, and carry more caregiving roles. Financial independence is how we reclaim control. Month 1. Know your numbers. Track every dollar you earn, spend, owe, and own. Awareness is the foundation of wealth. No shame, just clarity. Month 2. Set your freedom goal. How much monthly income would make you feel safe, free, and joyful? Write it down. That number is your North Star. Month 3. Cut the noise. Cancel and use subscriptions. Stop impulse spending. Declutter your finances like you declutter your closet with love. Month 4. Build your emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's not just savings, it's peace, power, and sleep at night. Month 5. Increase your income. Start a side hustle. Ask for a raise, monetize a skill. Every extra dollar is a step closer to freedom. Month 6. Start investing. Learn about index funds, real estate, or dividend stocks. Compound growth is quiet magic. Let it work for you. Month 7. Automate your money. Set up auto transfers to savings and investments. Wealth builds faster when you remove friction. Month 8. Pay off high-interest debt. Credit card debt is a wealth killer. Focus on one balance at a time. Celebrate every payoff. Month 9. Build passive income. Create digital products, rent a room, earn dividends. Income that flows without effort is your freedom fuel. Month 10. Protect your wealth. Get insurance, update your will, secure your passwords. Protecting your money is protecting your future. Month 11. Find your financial circle. Join women who talk money with love, not fear. Community accelerates growth. Month 12. Celebrate your independence. You've built something powerful. Dance, journal, share your story. You're no longer surviving, you're thriving. Financial independence is within reach, and you deserve it. Prioritize your mental health while building wealth. With clarity and consistency, 12 months is enough to change your life. Start now and stay aligned. Subscribe for intuitive plus practical financial guidance.